guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. Fall is coming in and it's time to find out which hairstyle is good for this season. Here we have this hairstyle, which I'm going to show you in a minute how to do. Then we also have 4 other hairstyles that we have from earlier episodes. I'm here in Denmark, which is a country in the Nordics, and it's very cold up here, even in the fall season. We tend to grow our hair a little bit longer, and we change the more static look to a more textured and random looking. And the reason for that is we have a lot of weather conditions. There can come a lot of rain, there can come a lot of wind, and when we have static hair, it will easily look out of place. We like to rush it up a little and have mess, but in control. And from that, now it's time to have hairstyle number 1. Now it's time to apply by Vilain Gold Digger. This jar is almost empty, so I hope we have just a scoop left in it. We did. It's time to mix it up in your hands. It's very strong hold and it will start actuating as soon as it spreads out evenly in my hands. So I need to be fast applying it. Now it starts to get tacky. And rub it in. All around the hair. Check out that volume. So when it's windy outside, you don't want it too static because then it will look out of place just in a minute. But if you style it a little bit random but in position, you'll get the perfect foundation for a hairstyle that works in all weather conditions. What I did here, I styled my hair forward in a very spiky texture, then I defined it a little bit, and then I took a comb, made it static in the bangs, and then I moved the bangs a little bit sidewards and backwards, so we have a little bit of a wave going on. So this is my autumn hairstyle. I hope you dig it. Then now stay tuned for these other 4 or 5 hairstyles we have for you. Now it's time for hairstyle number 2. What I like about this hairstyle is that it's long, it's messy, and it will hold your head warm even though in the coldest days, which is very practical and nice in the fall season, and also looking a little bit forward into the winter season. It's great. And let's get to hairstyle number 3. And what I like about this hairstyle is that it's still short on the sides, so you can look fresh and sharp, and you have a little bit more length on the top to play around with, which is great when you need to do some texture, and it's also good if you need to make a good night out with a really fine static classic hairstyle. Here we have hairstyle number 4. I do really like this one because even though the wind is coming in, it will always stay in place, or it's easy to manipulate back into the style. So now to the last hairstyle, we have hairstyle number 5. What I like about the hairstyle is that it's more natural looking, it's a little bit curly, and it doesn't take a lot of effort in this season. Alright guys, I hope you like this compilation, and the key points here is to grow out the sides a little bit more and the top as well. So no skin fades in these fall/winter periods of time. Keep a fade going on, and the top you just need to shake it up a little so it will not be too static, because if you do, you'll have a lot of problems with the weather, the winds, the rain, and when you change the styles to a more random and textured look, you can easily get it back into place. So it's about being stylish and in control. So I hope you like it. As always, if you do, go make a comment down below what you think about the episode. Give the video a like and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. And you can be a part of the giveaway of 3 by Vilain or Slikhaar products. So see you guys next time.